Hey guys, welcome to Smart Finance channel. Before I discuss this video content, I would like to ask you to subscribe my channel so that you will receive my new videos coming out every week, and also remember to like and share my videos to your friends and families. Alright guys, let's get started. In this video, I will guide you how to begin investing with a small budget. There are several methods to begin investing with minimal capital. Whether you are a novice or a seasoned investor, you should begin your investing plan and finances with an investment business. Investing is one of the greatest ways to enhance your wealth over time, but it may be intimidating to get started. While 55% of non-investors believe they do not make enough to invest, the reality is that you do not need to be a billionaire to start investing. A few additional $1,000 here and there may make a significant impact, particularly if you begin investing immediately. Here are some simple strategies to make your money work for you even harder. 1. Determine the initial amount. 2. Contribute to your employer's 401k. 3. Start a regular IRA or Roth IRA. 4. Think about automated investing. 5. Establish timely check-ins. 1. Determine the initial amount. Before you begin investing, it's a good idea to assess how much you can afford to put in as an initial commitment and how much you can afford to give on a monthly basis. Check your monthly budget to see if there are places where you can cut down, or consider putting the difference from a pay boost straight into investments. As part of your overall financial strategy, ensure you have a plan to pay off any major obligations, such as school loans or credit card debt, and establish an emergency savings account. 2. Contribute to your employer's 401k. If your work makes a matching contribution to retirement accounts, you should immediately begin contributing to your employer-sponsored 401k, since not doing so is tantamount to leaving behind free money. You may ask your human resources department about the details of this form of investment, but it's often fairly easy to set up, and your contributions can be automatically deducted from your paycheck and deposited into your retirement account, so you don't have to do anything. 3. Start a regular IRA or Roth IRA. If you've already reached your employer's 401k match or don't have that choice, starting a regular or Roth IRA might be an excellent method to save extra for retirement. Check with your bank to see what wealth management investment and retirement choices they may have, or do research to determine whether a web-based account may be suitable for you. If you decide to pursue this extra option, you should consult with your accountant or a financial professional to ensure you invest the proper amount and optimize your return. 4. Think about automated investing. With only $5,000, you may start an automated investing account with minimal advisory costs and access to a digital advisor that analyzes real-time data to automatically rebalance your portfolio, to maximize your assets and reveal your entire financial potential. This is a low-key and simple approach for individuals to invest if they are unsure of where to begin, or do not have the opportunity to engage directly with a financial counselor at the moment. The benefits of this sort of account are comparable to working one-on-one with an advisor, but without the need to make a phone call or devote a great deal of time to it. 5. Establish timely check-ins. Beginning the investing path is a crucial initial step, but frequent maintenance is also essential. In addition to setting up recurring investments, it is crucial to frequently review your portfolio to verify that you are investing in the appropriate alternatives for your particular financial objectives and time frame. Consider scheduling a check-in call with your advisor every couple of months to see if any adjustments are necessary to maximize your success. You should also consider investing any extra funds you get throughout the year, such as a bonus or inheritance, since this is the greatest way to make the most of any lump amount. Summary: investing does not have to be terrifying, nor does it have to be expensive. Even tiny contributions may make a significant impact in the long run when it comes to developing your wealth, so long as you are dedicated and stay the course. Consult a financial advisor for more guidance on the sorts of accounts that would best suit your requirements, as well as how much you should invest depending on your income and other financial obligations. Well, guys, my video has come to an end, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my video, and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, so that our channel can grow and bring everyone new videos with new things to learn. Bye bye for now, and see you in my next videos.